Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Thanks for the moderator and commit for the opportunity to present my article. And thank you for the conference participant for your willingness to attend to the event. Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Hilmawan Wibawanto from Master Program of Educational Technology 11 Maret University, Surakarta. This time I will present the result of my research with the title of Multimedia Implementation for Online Practicum, Offline Measurement Techniques at Vocational High School. Before we start, in this presentation, there will be several things that will be explained, namely the introduction or background of the research method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Our research background is based on problem on educational technology during COVID-19 pandemic, relevant results, and our objective. Educational technology in Indonesia has potential to develop rapidly during COVID-19. The government effort to suppress the spread of the virus have forced learning activities around 530,000 schools in Indonesia to use distance learning. In addition to technology service, teachers as an important element of learning must be able to prepare and implement learning strategies that can increase students' concentration and learning engagement with online learning. From the negative sides, many students have internet access problems because they have to share gadget with other family members, and students find it too difficult to use video conference every day. Another negative impact for learning that requires laboratory space is difficult to do. Learning technologies such as augmented reality or virtual laboratories for certain subjects need to be developed so that students continue to get the expected competency. This intervention or solution can be considered for the development of post-COVID-19 learning technology. Multimedia is the one of learning technology product that has many variation of media with interactive design. Multimedia has been widely implemented in learning to increase student motivation and learning outcome. Multimedia can help students improve performance, increase focus on problem solving, increase conceptual and experimental knowledge, and other advantages of multimedia implementation in learning activities. From the condition above, this research need to be done to improve student practical skill in land surveying technique. Student skill need to be improved with the help of multimedia practicum simulation to improve their learning outcome. The study to get the effectiveness value of using multimedia for the online practicum and land measurement technique at vocational high school. Okay, for the methods, this research is based on the research and development procedure of multimedia simulation using the development model of Alesi and Trolip, which is applied according to research and development needs. This model consists of three main stages, namely planning, design, and development. Based on based on students' need regarding online practicum supporting media, multimedia is designed based on planning and the result of discussion between research or developers and practitioner teachers. Then multimedia when through the development stage, namely multimedia validation by expert using questionnaire, also quasi-experimental study, which is a test from two classes, which consists of 36 students from 10th grade and at a vocational school in Surakarta who were taking land and surveying techniques. The results are consist of multimedia validation by expert and multimedia effectiveness test result. From this result, there is two validator is give 4.75, which is included in qualification of very good and decent to be tested on learning practitioner and end user. The feasibility of multimedia that has been developed cannot be separated from the element of learning and the function of learning media, namely as means of focusing attention. Entering a digital era, we know it been easier for students to access to learn many things. However, it takes to figure of an educator or teacher to be able to provide a filter on information and material that is really needed by student. So that the validation or assessment of multimedia has been given by material experts is the one of the effort to filter information and actualization uh, of learning material in interactive multimedia. Okay, the second result is multimedia effectiveness test result. From the data in the left, uh, we can see that there was an increase in the post-test result to the pretest, both the control class and the experimental class. And the data from the right, the independent sample t-test result, multimedia product for the practicum and land surveying technique were declared capable of being an alternative to help improve the skill of students in vocational high school. Okay, this is the following is the part of our multimedia development. Uh, when we develop learning media, we must pay the attention to student needs and learning objective. Student must be able to choose their own delivery of the material they want to learn. For example, with the video, audio, text, and other technique. This is in the line with several relevant studies regarding the effect of using interactive multimedia on mastery of computer in several important aspects of the learning process. The use learning multimedia would have significant benefits in the learning process, but there are still problems that arise so that the use multimedia become less optimal. However, the presence of technology or multimedia in the classroom needs to be combined with the conventional learning process and strengthen the management of objective and material in multimedia. In addition, the development of interactive multimedia can be integrated with the values of everyday life so that it can shape the character of student. Okay, the last, through research and development activities, valid and tested multimedia simulation practicum products have been produced for practical measurement technique. The use of multimedia practicum simulation at the testing stage show a fairly good effectiveness in improving student skills during online learning. Thus, it can be concluded that the use of multimedia can be alternative learning media for online practicum on land survey technique or soil measurement technique in vocational high school. Okay, that's all. I think the presentation is enough. Sorry for any mistakes when presenting our article. Thanks for your opportunity and attention. I close my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.